Probably a question we get asked about the most is, why do we have the most efficient power system in a Class B? There's two components to that. The first component is our power system. It's a Lithionics power system with a 16.8 kilowatt battery system. We pair that with a Nomadic Cooling 48 volt AC, and when you combine these two things, you end up with the most efficient electrical system in a Class B. What does that mean? We can run between 4 and 5 nights without the need of recharging these batteries. So that in itself is a massive, massive thing for folks who like to go off the grid, go adventuring, and want to be safe in the knowledge that they have enough power to run their AC for multiple nights without stressing about recharging the batteries. So we're very, very proud to be running a power system that is this efficient and in combination with Nomadic Cooling's latest AC.